Hi guys, this is how I spent my Eid. I went to the masjid in the morning. This is where we were in the car going to the masjid. And then from there, we went to buy food from the market. That's where we're heading after masjid to the market. And we bought food. After buying food, we are jazzing, talking in the car with my sister, her kids, and my daughter in the car. And then from there, we were at home cooking. Yeah, that is me cooking with my son and my niece and my daughter. Yeah, so that's what basically we are doing. We have started cooking food, waiting to eat our food. It was so delicious, guys. It was so delicious. So yeah, that was what we are doing. And we came back. Amira was taking some milk with me and I was cooking pilau. I started frying pilau. I used bay leaves, carrot, green pepper, onions, and other spices, and that's how the food looked like. Yes, guys, this is how the food looked like. Yeah, after putting rice, mixing it with rice, this is how the food was like. My husband was eating, enjoying the food, was nice, and me, I ate matoke with chicken and chapat and soup. Yeah, that's what I ate, and other people also ate rice with. The food was basically good. Then from there we went to the beach and we sat there chilling because yeah, it was a long Ramadan, and alhamdulillah we finished Ramadan, so it was time for us to go to the beach and have fun. Yeah, that's basically where we went with my family. Yeah, that's how we celebrated our Eid. Otherwise, guys, Eid Mubarak, have fun, enjoy my video.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah. لا تنقضي أنت للروح دواء رمضان يا حبيب رمضان ليتك دوما قريب رمضان. I've been waiting, I've been hurting, 'cause I've been falling. I need your help. My heart is breaking, so tired of crying. Lord, I'm calling, I need your help. I don't wanna fight no more, I don't wanna fight this war. Oh na, oh na, oh na. I don't wanna fight no more, I don't wanna fight this war. Oh na, yeah. Astaghfirullah. Forgive me, Allah. I'm so broken, my wounds are open, my life is frozen. I need your help, 'cause people always let me down.